Hi. I think I left my notebook here yesterday.
No problem. What does it look like?
It's a black leather notebook with a few pages sticking out. It has all my story ideas in it.
Let me check for you. How's your writing going?
It was going well until I misplaced my notebook. I had some great ideas in there.
I totally understand. Ideas can be so fleeting. What are you working on?
I'm writing a novel about a time traveler. It's a mix of sci-fi and adventure.
That sounds intriguing. Do you have a favorite character yet?
Definitely. My main character is a quirky historian who accidentally gets swept into different eras.
Is this it?
Yes. That's my notebook. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm glad it made its way back to you. Any ideas you're particularly excited about?
Oh, for sure. I have a scene where the character meets Shakespeare. It's hilarious.
That sounds like a fun encounter. Mixing history with humor is a great approach.
I hope it works out. Thanks for your help today.
If you ever need a quiet spot to write or want to brainstorm, feel free to come back.
I might take you up on that. Thanks again.
Happy writing!